Welcome to the EarlyON. We offer programs for families and children 0 to 6 years of age. Hello everybody, my name is Maria, and today we're going to do a fun cooking activity. One that you could do with your kids at home on a nice summer day. So today we're going to make frozen banana cereal pops. Really easy, fun snack that you can make with your kids or for your kids. So I'm just going to cut the banana in half. Peel it. Okay, and I'll do one more, or you could peel it, I guess, but I just find it easier to cut off the stems and do it this way. Okay, so I've got 4 half bananas here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put popsicle sticks in them, like it's a frozen banana cereal pop, like as in popsicle. That. Okay, that part's pretty easy. This is actually an activity that the kids could do from start to finish because it's pretty quick and easy. Okay, so the next thing you're going to do, I have some strawberry yogurt in this cup here. I have Greek yogurt, it's a little bit thicker, but you could use regular yogurt too, whatever yogurt you guys like, or it doesn't have to be strawberry either, it can be any flavor that you like. Okay, so I'm going to dip it in here, just like that, and I'm going to roll it in. This is crushed cereal, so any kind of fruity, colorful cereal that you find at the grocery store that you have on hand is what you could use. And really you could use anything. You could use chocolate chips, you could use coconut, whatever you like. Okay, so that's one. Do the other one. And if you put it in a cup, oh, I lost this banana. Okay. The stick wasn't in quite all the way, so I'm just going to put that over to the side. And we'll move on to the next one. Okay. So get it out of there. See, it's a little bit tricky. You might have to use your fingers. Okay, then you're going to dip it in the fruity cereal again. All the colorful fruity cereal. If I was doing this with the child, I would talk about all the colors of the cereal. Blue and yellow, pink, red, some colors of the rainbow. Okay, and then I have one more to do. And we'll try to salvage the one that we lost over there. So just put the yogurt on it, dip it in. Like I said, because there isn't anything really that the kids can hurt themselves on this. It's something that the kids could do from start to finish. Alrighty. I'm going to roll this in the cereal. There we go. Now, whoops, kind of broke, but these are going into the freezer anyway, so they will firm up and stay together because they're frozen. But I do have some that I made up yesterday. I'm just going to wash my hands and I'll get them for you. Okay, here are the frozen banana cereal pops from yesterday. They're all together, they're intact. One thing that I would like to mention is that when you're putting it in the freezer and you're putting it on a tray, make sure that you put parchment paper or wax paper on the tray so it comes off easily. And there you have it, our frozen banana cereal pops. The recipe will be in this video at some point, so you can just check it out. So let's talk about our frozen cereal banana pops that we just made, or that we're making in this video. We're using bananas, so what I would talk about with the kids are the food groups, the Canada's Food Guide. So the bananas are part of the fruit and vegetable group. And so this is a healthy snack because you're using bananas, and then you're using yogurt, and yogurt is part of the milk group. So this is something that you could talk about the kids with. The cereal is not part of it's a sugary, colorful cereal, but you've got the banana and you have the yogurt, which is the healthy part, and the not so healthy cereal, but the sugary cereal. But it still makes for a healthy snack for the kids. Thank you for joining our EarlyON activity today.